This is Cyndy G. In this video, we're assembling the candy corn truck box card. So I'm just gonna jump right in. We're gonna start with the base of our card. And we're gonna start by putting the base together. I'm gonna open it up. I'm going to put on my piece for my message on the back of the truck. Then I'm going to come to the front. I've done my truck in all black, so I have outlined this piece. I use blue actually to outline it. Then I'm going to put on my bumper. And then my little accent piece. You can write a small message on this. Happy Halloween. Happy birthday. You can add a message to that panel. I'll put on my tail lights. I'm going to flip the card over. On the inside, I'm going to add the windshield. Make sure you're doing this piece on the inside. There we are. And then I'm going to set that aside. So I just saved 2 candy corns to show you how they go together. So you didn't need to watch me put together all of them. I mean, there are 3 pieces for each one, but they go together very quickly. I like to start with the tip, and then you can just line that right up against it. So that's simple. Do that again. Pieces are sticking to my sticky fingers. Okay. So then I'm going to pull in my base, and every other one I'm going to pop up. So just decide which one, if you want to pop them up, decide first which ones you want on the bottom. Put those on first. Like I said, I'm doing every other one, so I'm going to do these 2 flat. And then I'm going to close. Okay, so that is the back piece. I'm going to fold it on the tabs. Pull in for the front piece. I'm only going to pop up one in the front. So I'm going to glue these in place. There we are. Now to pull in my card. I'm going to start with the back piece. Let's stand this up in the U. The back's a little bit heavy right now, so it's pulling it over. I'm going to put glue on this tab. I'll lay my tabs out flat, and I'm going to lay this flat against the back and glue that in place. Make sure my glue is not getting messy. And I'm going to do the same thing with the front layer. Darn it. I'm going to lay this in front of the piece behind it. Making a mess with my glue. I don't want that to glue shut. Then I'm going to take these two tabs. You'll see them better after I put the glue on them. And I'm going to leave this side down on the table. I'm going to take this side here and bring it over and glue these tabs in place. Fold that both ways. And then close up my card. Okay, and there you have it. There is the candy corn truck box card. Thank you for joining me.